Okay, so I got another unboxing. Kind of drunk, so you'll have to excuse my slurges, but apmex unboxing. $2 note from 1928D. It's pretty nice. Really like the $2 notes. And a 2 cent 1865 2 cent. Average uncirculated 58 from apmex. Really nice little penny. And a MS63 1979 $1 one Morgan dollar. Beautiful coin. And a 1943 MS65 half Walking Liberty $half, also a beautiful coin. And a 1923 MS63 piece dollar. And a 1865 3-cent nickel, average uncirculated, silver 3-cent nickel.